Hello kids, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn 50 garden vocabulary sentences in English. Gardens are beautiful, green, full of nature, fresh and colorful. These easy English sentences will help kids improve speaking skills. Learn garden vocabulary, speak English confidently. So, are you ready kids? Let's explore the beautiful garden together. Garden vocabulary sentences. Garden. This is a beautiful garden.
Garden. This is a beautiful garden.
Flower. The flowers smell nice.
Flower. The flower smells nice.
Rose. The rose is red.
Rose. The rose is red.
Sunflower. The sunflower is tall.
Sunflower. The sunflower is tall.
Tree. The tree gives shade.
Tree. The tree gives shade.
Leaf. The leaf is green.
Leaf. The leaf is green.
Grass. The grass feels soft.
Grass. The grass feels soft.
Plant. I water the plant.
Plant. I water the plant.
Seed. The seed grows slowly.
Seed. The seed grows slowly.
Soil. Plants grow on soil.
Soil. Plants grow in soil.
Flowers and plants. Tulip. The tulip looks colorful.
Tulip. The tulip looks colorful.
Daisy. The daisy is pretty.
Daisy. The daisy is pretty.
Lily. The lily smells sweet.
Lily. The lily smells sweet.
Bud. The bud will bloom soon.
Bud. The bud will bloom soon.
Cactus. The cactus has thorns.
Cactus. The cactus has thorns.
Vine. The vine climbs the wall.
Vine. The vine climbs the wall.
Bush. The bush is small and green.
Bush. The bush is small and green.
Bamboo. Bamboo grows quickly.
Bamboo. Bamboo grows quickly.
Pot. The flower pot is round.
Pot. The flower pot is round.
Roots. Roots grow under the soil.
Roots. Roots grow under the soil.
Garden animals and insects. Butterfly. The butterfly is colorful.
Butterfly. The butterfly is colorful.
Bee. The bee makes honey.
Bee. The bee makes honey.
Ant. The ant carries food.
Ant. The ant carries food.
Bird. The bird sings sweetly.
Bird. The bird sings sweetly.
Spider. The spider makes a web.
Spider. The spider makes a web.
Snail. The snail moves slowly.
Snail. The snail moves slowly.
Ladybug. The ladybug has spots.
Ladybug. The ladybug has spots.
Worm. The worm lives in soil.
Worm. The worm lives in soil.
Dragonfly. The dragonfly flies fast.
Dragonfly. The dragonfly flies fast.
Caterpillar. The caterpillar crawls slowly.
Caterpillar. The caterpillar crawls slowly.
Garden tools and things. Watering can. I use a watering can.
Watering can. I use a watering can.
Shovel. The shovel digs soil.
Shovel. The shovel digs soil.
Fence. The fence protects the garden.
Fence. The fence protects the garden.
Bench. I sit on the bench.
Bench. I sit on the bench.
Path. The path is clean.
Path. The path is clean.
Basket. The basket is full of flowers.
Basket. The basket is full of flowers.
Fountain. The fountain looks beautiful.
Fountain. The fountain looks beautiful.
Gate. The garden gate is open.
Gate. The garden gate is open.
Swing. Children play on the swing.
Swing. Children play on the swing.
Pond. Fish swim in the pond.
Pond. Fish swim in the pond.
Nature and weather. Sun. The sun shines brightly.
Sun. The sun shines brightly.
Rain. Rain helps plants grow.
Rain. Rain helps plants grow.
Cloud. White cloud float in the sky.
Cloud. White clouds float in the sky.
Wind. The wind moves on the leaves.
Wind. The wind moves on the leaves.
Mud. The mud is wet.
Mud. The mud is wet.
Water. Plants need water daily.
Water. Plants needs water daily.
Fruit. The tree gives fruits.
Fruit. The tree gives fruits.
Gardener. The gardener takes care of plants.
Gardener. The gardener takes care of the plants.
Nature. I love nature.
Nature. I love nature.
Rainbow. The rainbow looks beautiful.
Rainbow. The rainbow looks beautiful.
Amazing job, kids! Today we learned 50 garden vocabulary sentences, easy English speaking, nature and garden words. Now you can speak about gardens confidently in English. Love plants, care for nature and keep learning every day. Great job, kids! Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more fun learning videos. Till then, bye!